Okay, the figure below is made up of 4 identical quadrants and a square. Find the perimeter of the figure and find the area of the figure, taking pi as 22/7. Now before we solve this question, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the external boundary or the external fence of this figure. Now we've been given some information and some information is missing on the diagram. So I prefer to write down all the information on the diagram. So we know that it is an identical quadrant. That means they all have the same dimension, same length. So this is 14 centimeters. So this will also be 14. This will be 14. This will be 14, 14 and 14. All right. Now this, since this is a square, if this is 16, this is also 16 centimeters. Now we have almost everything except for the curved length. Now if you bring these 4 quadrants together, you get a circle. So what is the perimeter of a circle? Okay, it is called the circumference, and the formula for that is 2 pi r, which is 2 times 22/7 times the radius, which is 14, and that answer is 88. Okay. Now to find out the remaining area, since there are so many numbers, it's very easy to miss out or add more than once the same number. So what I like to do is I like to put out a marker at one corner, and then you either go clockwise or you go anti-clockwise. Okay, so I'm going to start by combining this 7 with this length, and that gives me 14. So I will go clockwise. I'll say 14 plus 14 plus 2. Okay, so 14, 14 and 2, and plus 14, 14 and 16. So I'll get 14 plus 14 plus 16. Okay, now we've done half of this. Now we'll carry on from here. 14, 14 and 2. So again I have 14 plus 14 plus 2, and then I have 14 plus 14 plus 16 plus 14 plus 14 plus 16. Okay, now if you have realized that this and this is the exact same thing, so you can actually just put a big bracket and say times 2 if you so wish. Okay, and do not forget to add the 88 when you do your final calculation. So let's just add these 4 numbers, and what do we get? We get a total of 148. So our perimeter is 148 plus 88 is 236. So our answer will be 236 centimeters. So now we'll talk about the area. Let's say part B, area. Now we have 2 figures here. We have a circle and we have a square. So the area of this figure is the area of a circle plus the area of a square. So the area of a circle is pi r square. The area of the square is 16 times 16. Okay, so this is 22/7 times 14 times 14 plus 16 times 16, 872. So our answer is 872 centimeters square. So our perimeter is 236 centimeters and our area is 872 centimeters square.